the north. This is my friend Southern Sherry, but you can just call me Sherry for short. Anyways, this is our globe because we share it and we've had it a long time. And today we're gonna explore. We're gonna explore the Arabian Peninsula, Sudan, the desert. Desert Sudan. Let's get this show on the road. Okay. So, when you're going to the desert, you always need a flashlight. And I didn't know if you noticed, but as you can notice, my outfit is all blue. Because that's my favorite color. And I have a blue flashlight and a blue shirt and shorts and my socks. But according to my green Crocs. I love every color. Every color loves me. In the desert, you need your flashlight. But it gets kind of smelly sometimes, so always make sure to bring your Febreze. Just so I don't fool you guys, this isn't a real igloo. Because igloos don't really live in the desert. Sometimes it's bumblebees, like right here. Bumblebee, don't get stung. Don't get stung. And sometimes you can use your flashlight to guide the way when there's no way to be out of this desert. Now, ready to cross this fence? This is barbed wire, and that's electric. And getting ready to cross. This is one step for me, one giant step for mankind. Here I go. Got careful, because these have pokies on them. And, ow, try not to touch the hot wire fence, because it'll shock you. So, I am almost all the way. I'm almost there. I'm free. Okay, now down here, this is what I'd call a hole. Just shine your light in here, just a little bit. Yep, definitely a hole. A hole. It's a hole. This is a trail. And you can tell it's a trail because there's dirt and it's really hard. So I think this way is west, that way is east. The wind's blowing this way. Let's follow this trail. Let's see. We've found some poo. It stinks a little, so I'll just spray my Febreze. Sticks. They're everywhere. And this is a good stick because it's really breakable and it's good for some fire. And also, it's really good for a walking stick if you need some help with your walking. More poop. Oh, look here. We found some water source. Well, this is definitely good cold water, but it's not drinkable for humans because it has bugs and moss and algae in it, and I don't think you'd want to drink it. Here comes a little kitty. Let's see if he wants more. Hey, kitty. Want some orange, kitty? Come on. Look, it's panting. It must be really tired. I've never seen a tiger pant before, but there's always a first for everything. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope you have enjoyed this experience in the Arabian desert with us today. hope you go home and have some good tips next time you get lost in the desert and find a thirsty kitty. And, well, we're gonna go give this kitty some water now. It's really thirsty.